Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of SpaceX and their ambitious plans for Starbase. The team over at SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of launch cadence, and I'm here to break down the latest developments and give you my take on what it all means. Let's start with the buzz around Starbase launch pads. Engineers are working tirelessly to transform these pads into high-performance launch sites, and it's all about efficiency and rapid reusability. The key to this transformation? A dedicated flame trench at Pad 1, a structural fix that will eliminate those time-consuming refurbishment headaches. You see, the old design was not built with rapid reusability in mind, which meant extensive repairs after each mission. But with this new trench, SpaceX aims to support back-to-back launches with minimal downtime. It's like a surgical makeover for the pad, and I can't help but admire the precision and planning that goes into these upgrades. Now, let's talk about the chopstick carriage system. This iconic mechanical arm has been offline for a while, but it's getting a much-needed upgrade. By relocating tanks, hydraulics, and electrical lines to a hardened bunker, SpaceX is reducing the risk of damage from engine exhaust and simplifying future maintenance. It's all about creating a safer and more efficient working environment. And the propellant tank farm is getting a boost too. 2 new liquid methane storage tanks have been installed and tested, and they're ready to support the increased vehicle performance and dual-pad operations. But the real game-changer is the Air Separation Unit, ASU. This industrial-scale facility will produce cryogens on-site, eliminating the need for daily truck deliveries of liquid oxygen and nitrogen. It's a logistical game-changer and a key step towards SpaceX's vision of weekly launches. Over at Pad 2, things are heating up too. The Orbital Launch Mount, OLM, has completed some impressive clamp-retraction demonstrations, with all 20 hold-down arms retracting simultaneously. This visible milestone is a testament to the team's precision and attention to detail. And the new roof structure on the tower? It's all about protecting the critical mechanisms during ship recovery operations. The Starship's upper stage will approach from the rear, and the new shielding will ensure a safe and precise catch. In my opinion, these upgrades represent a significant step forward for Starbase. Pad 1 is being rebuilt for true rapid reusability, while Pad 2 is ticking all the boxes for operational certification. With the ASU and tank farm expansion, SpaceX is reducing external supply chain friction and getting ready for the complex ship catch operations that are on the horizon. The timeline is tightening, and while we don't have an exact launch window yet, the progress is undeniable. From flame trench excavation to synchronized clamp tests, it's clear that SpaceX is gearing up for not just Flight 12, but a quick turnaround for Flight 13 and beyond. So, there you have it, folks. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of space exploration, and I, for one, am excited to see what the future holds. Stay tuned, and let's keep our eyes on the stars.